I wanted to go over real quick how you can access your students' work from home. Your students have been logging into Canvas. Way to do that is you can go to Foxborough Elementary's website, click on this quick links right here. Once that pulls up a pop-down menu, you will click on Canvas. Once in Canvas, you'll click on the AccesCanvas as a DSD employee or student. So your student will click on there. Now they're going to go ahead and put in their information, which is their email, and then their PIN. Now your students all have an original PIN that they will be using, so it's important that you use that with them. Now we've been using it with them. They should know how to do it. If they don't, let us know. We'd be more than happy to send you a copy of their email and as well as their PIN. It's always going to be their graduation year, and then generally, for the most part, it's their first initial and then their last name. It'll come up, it'll say, welcome to the student. Then you'll see the classes that they are enrolled in. As you can see here, this is for a 4th grade student. And it will say, oh, right here, there's something due here, nothing due today, nothing due today, 2 due today, nothing due today, nothing due today. Nothing else due means they've completed those assignments. 1 due today means they've got something else they need to finish, which might take them just a few moments. Language arts, 2 things due today. Now, great thing is you can click on it. It'll come up. It'll say the schedule. And right here, for some reason, it's got 2 chapter 2s, which I'll have to fix. But it will have on there what they need to work on. You can click on modules as well. You can see all the things. But I do like the schedule view because it tells you what's due. It tells you how many points it's worth as well. Okay. Now, if your student says, oh, but I already started my math. Well, here's the great thing as well. I'm going to show you real quick. We're going to go back to Foxborough Elementary's website. Now, here's one of the coolest things that we've got set up here at the district. Click on Quick Links. Right over here as well, you've got this list of things. Email Office 365. Same way that we just logged into the other. It'll pop up. If you've already logged into Canvas, it will already know your student's Microsoft Home Office login as well. Once that loads, you're going to have access to the OneDrive. And I just wanted to show you how it does show their files. We've been teaching them in class how to save onto the OneDrive so that they can work on these assignments at home, which gives us the benefit of being able to have all of our iPads at school ready to go each and every day. There we go. All right, once you've got this here, it's going to show some of their work in there. But you can just go ahead. You'll see he did this today. Anything they did today will show up there automatically. OneDrive. Click on that. That's going to load over here. This is what your student's OneDrive will look like. Anything that they've worked on is going to pull up right there. So you can pull up their math right here. He had started one. I could pull up his math. I could work on it from home, and then I can go back into my Canvas over here, and I can submit any files through my Canvas. Let us know if you have any questions. We're more than welcome to help you. Anything you need, just let us know. We're happy to help.